life, new mind, all things behind. I'm feeling so brand new, baby. Everything new, baby.
It's your girl Alexus Crown here. Today I'm going to be showing you part 1 of my collaboration with UNice Hair. I have 4 bundles of 24 inches. And it is their natural Brazilian wave, and I'm just going to be showing you how I created the wig and initially installed it. If you want to see how I styled it later on, stay tuned for part 2, but right now we're just going to cover the basics of how I made it and how I put it in, so stay tuned. So now that we have the wig made, I'm just going to cut the U part open and place it on my head to make sure it's the right size and fit. So it is. So now I'm just going to sew it down. And then stay tuned for part 2 where I will style it for you guys.